Hi everyone, today we're making a Filipino inspired Bistek bowl. Start by gathering half of a lemon, half of a yellow onion, and 4 garlic cloves. Slice the onion into 1-inch strips and mince the garlic. Throw the onion and garlic into a bowl that is big enough for a marinade. Now we're going to grab our ribeye steak and slice it into about 1-inch cubes or strips. Remove any excess fat as needed. Toss that wonderful ribeye into the bowl and cover with your half lemon. Throw some pepper on top. Add your 1/3 cup of soy sauce and give everything a good mixing. Cover and let marinate for 1 hour. If you use closer to 2 pounds of ribeye, you can add a little bit more soy sauce if you'd like. Now that the easy part is over, grab a wok and cover the bottom with some oil. Add your beef mixture to the wok and cook for 8 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat. Now if you like a little bit more seared crust for the texture on the meat, you can drain the beef and resume cooking. Once you achieve the desired texture and rarity of the beef, you can begin creating the toppings that you want to go with your beefsteak bowl. For this bowl, I cooked down 3 to 4 handfuls of spinach. I also fried up some over medium eggs, or at least tried to. Now that everything's done, serve into a bowl and cover with your most presentable toppings and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a great week and happy cooking.